Hello, on the Harte Trail in Charleswood, doing I guess hopefully 20 miles today. I'll do 10 out and 10 back. Just preparing for going out this Sunday, this weekend, which will be July, I don't know, let's see, July 25th, I believe, 2020, out on the Hunt Lake Trail, which is the south shore of West Hawk Lake. So just figuring I'd do a little prep hike for that. I'm actually on the treadmill quite a bit, so that kind of helps. Taking my daughter Jennifer and my son-in-law Alex, soon-to-be son-in-law Alex, out to the Harte Trail. So the Hunt Lake Trail is where we're going this Sunday, and this is actually quite beautiful in that it's quite nice. It used to be an old railway bed, as you can see behind me, and it was actually refurbished into a hiking trail for the pleasure of residents here in Winnipeg, and it's quite nice. It's very hot today. It's about 28 degrees Celsius. Humidity level is quite high, and so kind of having a fairly rough time, but probably will need that out on the Hunt Lake Trail in Whiteshell Provincial Park, okay, south shore of West Hawk Lake. And yeah, so looking forward to that. We're going to pack a lunch for the day, and the halfway point they have a swimming area, so we'll do that. We'll do the swim, and then we'll go on to the end. Altogether, it's about probably about 5 or 6 hours, so it's not like it's really long. And as you can see, it's a well-used trail. We just have, I guess, some people coming by, and a lot of deer in this area in Charleswood. They call it the Charleswood herd, and it's we're so blessed, my wife and I, Linda, to be able to live in an area like this. It's very beautiful. We have had deer come into the yard, usually during the winter when we can't see them. During the summer months, there's enough food around. On this hike, I've seen one doe that was at the side of the road and was kind of looking at me in a stunned, perplexed look, but they're very beautiful. Anyways, I'll let you get on to what you need to get on to. Thank you. Let's see, someone has put a little sign up there, press on, so that's what we're going to do. What do we have here? Welcome to Assiniboine Forest. Okay, so welcome. And so there's various trails throughout, and we're going to continue on eastward. Okay. Still on the Harte Trail, and you can see that's the CNR, the Canadian National Railway main line, coming through here alongside the trail. Basically my turnaround, and we're about 9,000 steps in, which is almost 5 kilometers, 5 miles in, a little over 5 miles. So we're going to turn around and we're going to head back. Okay, we're heading back. We've done a solid 5 miles. You've probably noticed some of these shots are of these plants here, and they're milkweed. Okay, so actually the monarch butterfly just loves to feed off of the milkweed. So see right here, some milkweed. Nice. And you can see they're in the flowering stage right now. They will get the pods, which could look pretty strange. But anyways, over in that direction you have Eve Weirier Memorial Duck Pond. And we're not going to go see that today, but that was, I guess, created to commemorate Eve Weirier. I'm not sure who Eve Weirier is, but I believe she may have been the wife of a well-known family from Charleswood. Actually, the author, or actually a columnist with the Winnipeg Free Press. The Weiriers actually, I guess, were active with the Free Press. So anyways, they made a memorial duck pond over there.